So it comes with this invitation card, and there is nothing inside, so don't forget about that crap. Open it up. Good plastic wrap, very good plastic wrap. Look at that. Wow, dang, this is a good quality stuff, man. This is a good quality stuff. Glossy finish, isn't it? It's a glossy finish too. So let's open this crap too. Let's do that. And the plastic is nice, man. Look at that chest mount. It looks good to me. This is a very nice sturdy one. These are hooks for your GoPro. Let's check and throw this hook up. I will not throw that one. I'll just keep it up, just to make sure that in future I might need that one. So let's open it up. Okay, so you can adjust the size, and here's a mount. Let's see with the GoPro. Okay, here is my GoPro. Alright, bro, it goes here like this, so it fits well. And let's see where those screws. They will screw me. Yeah. Okay. Put it here. Let's screw this down. And dang, it's sturdy. It is good. It fits well. It's perfect. It's made for each other. I bought it for, I think it's $17. Original price listed at $37. Heck no, this doesn't cost like $37 even if it is original. But the quality of the material is good, so if you want to go ahead and buy it, don't hesitate. It's a very good item, and it fits for everything. I mean, GoPro 4 Session, Hero 4, Hero 3 Plus, Hero 3, 2, SJCAM cameras. So feel free, if you have any questions, put in the comments below. And that's it for today. I'll catch you later next time. Bye.